cryptocurrency analysis, and today we would be looking at one of our favorite coins on the channel, and it is Quant QNT, right? If you like the channel, please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, as we would be talking about everything that has to do with Quant QNT, right? uh, right, if we move over down even to the 7 days, right, we could see, right, that we could see a lot of downward price action. We saw a push, right, to the push to the top, and then we saw a push downwards even to about 102, and now we are seeing a push to the upside. And if you remember, we're expecting this push. We said probably we could get a push to the $123, and we're currently having that push, and we're currently at $121. So we have been expecting this move to the upside. We have been speaking about it on the channel, right? We've been correct so far on each and every one of our calls on the channel. We have been spot on as regards our calls, as regards QNT, or the price of QNT, right? So this should motivate you to subscribe and like and share it with your friends. And today we'll just be looking at the charts to see what is going to happen, even to quant. Even we're starting from the weekly time frame, right? And as you can see, we always said that we're expecting a pump to the 123 stroke 125 region. And when we get to the 125 region, that is a decision point for quant, as we could even see for that upward movement, even probably even to the 180 region, right? So probably we could see quant do something like this. We could see quant do something like this, and then like this, right? Then probably like this. So we could see quant do something like this, but we have two scenarios, right? In this moment, we actually could see quant also get rejected right here, right? Come like this, could see quant come like this, and then uh, that would be a very, very bearish scenario for quant, where we could see it come down even to this level, right? But for now, probably as you can see, we are favoring it up to the upside, right? If we pull up our indicators, right? If we pull up the indicators are showing that probably we are just having this bounce, and we could probably see a upward or downward movement. So probably on our indicators, we can't really say for now, as everything we are probably at a decision point, right? So if we move over to the 3 days time frame to really understand what's happening, so probably we could see we have a huge resistance for quant first at the 124, right? If we can, for any reason, push above the 124 region, then we probably should be seeing quant at around the $200 region. So probably quant looks bullish, right? A lot of volume, a lot of money coming into quant, right? Our oscillator is turning bullish. So probably we could see quant at around 206 in the coming few days. So we could see price come a bit like this, right? Like this, like this, and then move to the upside. So we're favoring the bullish count at this point. We could just see price do this, right? As but we need to overcome the resistance at the 134 region first. We're having a resistance at the 125 region, as you can see here, right? The 126, and then the 134 region, right? If for any reason we could overcome this, probably we should be seeing quant on the short term. We could see quant at about $200 dollars on the short term. On the long term, probably we're still seeing our count for quant to get to around the 500 and even the 1,000 dollars region. So, but probably we could see quant with this movement because a lot of money is coming into quant. We could see quant make a movement such as this, right? For the short term. Take note, this is the short term prediction for quant. So we could see quant do something like this in the next few days, right? If we come over to the daily, right? The daily also saying the same thing, that we're probably at a decision point for the price of quant, right? At the moment, right? So we probably could see quant on the daily, right? This is the daily, right? So as we said, we have lots of resistance at around 139, 136. So probably we could see quant come even over to the 185 stroke 200 regions. If we pull up our indicators, right? Our indicators are showing very, very bullish momentum, right, for quant. As you can see, a lot of money is coming into quant. Our oscillator on the daily, time frame, is pushing upwards. This is a very bullish, this is actually a hidden bullish divergence, a hidden bullish divergence. As you can see, there's a hidden bullish divergence on the chart. Same thing with that's happening on the chart. As you can see, hidden a bullish divergence. So probably we could see quant even at the $200 region anytime soon. So if you like the channel, if you love the channel, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Don't forget that this is not financial advice. This is just for educational purposes. So remember to continue accumulating your quant. Do not forget that the long term count for quant goes even to about $3,000. So every single quant you are buying now is an investment into your future and probably will yield even 100x, even 50x. So this is the time for accumulation. Like as I said yesterday in my video, if you had bought quant in my last video, quant was around 112 in the video I put up yesterday, and probably we're already up about 8%, right? So if you just bought a quant yesterday based on our analysis yesterday, you would have been up about 8%, right? So think of the as long-term investment instead of short-term, and you will make money in this market, right? Thank you, then have a great day.